the science of spirituality, literally connected to the cosmos. What if the feeling of spiritual connection, the sense that we are part of something greater, wasn't just an abstract emotion, but a tangible scientific truth? Could there be a literal link between our consciousness, our biology, and the cosmos itself? From the quantum entanglement of particles to the biological mysteries of life, the idea of being spiritually connected to the universe may not be as mystical as it seems. In this video, we'll explore how science is beginning to uncover the profound ways in which we might be physically, biologically, and even quantumly entangled with the cosmos. What if every moment of awe you've experienced, gazing at the stars, standing beneath towering trees, or feeling the presence of something greater, wasn't just an emotional or spiritual response, but a reflection of a physical, scientific truth? What if we're not separate from the universe, but an integral part of its fabric, literally connected in ways we're only beginning to understand? Today, we'll explore this profound idea by diving into the science of quantum entanglement, the mysteries of biology, and the patterns that echo throughout the cosmos. Prepare to question reality, challenge your perception of separation, and discover how the universe might be far more connected and alive than we ever imagined. Quantum entanglement and a universe connected. At the heart of quantum physics lies one of its most mind-boggling phenomena, quantum entanglement. This is the idea that two particles, once connected, remain intertwined no matter how far apart they are, whether across the lab or across the galaxy. Einstein called it spooky action at a distance, but modern experiments have confirmed its reality. Could it be that this principle of entanglement extends beyond particles, linking us, as conscious beings, to the greater cosmos? Imagine this. The atoms in your body were forged in the cores of ancient stars, scattered across the universe, and eventually became part of you. These atoms may still retain subtle quantum connections to their origins, creating a profound, literal link between you and the universe. Let's start with the idea of the universe as a living system. For centuries, humanity has debated whether the cosmos is a lifeless mechanism or something more, a dynamic, evolving entity capable of creation and transformation. Modern science suggests the latter. The laws of thermodynamics, the emergence of complexity from chaos, and the self-organizing behavior of matter hint at a universe that's constantly shaping itself. From the birth of galaxies to the formation of life, every process in the cosmos reflects a kind of self-awareness, a dance of matter and energy striving toward equilibrium, yet full of unpredictable creativity. If the universe behaves like a living system, then we, as conscious beings, may be its most profound expression. Through us, the universe observes itself, learns, and evolves. Quantum biology and the bridge between science and spirit. Quantum biology is an emerging field that explores how quantum phenomena play a role in the processes of life itself. From the navigation of birds using quantum entanglement to the role of quantum tunneling in DNA mutations, our very existence appears to be intertwined with the quantum world. One fascinating theory suggests that our consciousness, our sense of self, could arise from quantum processes in the brain. Known as the OR theory, it proposes that microtubules in neurons might utilize quantum mechanics to create the unique experience of being alive. Could this quantum consciousness also be the mechanism through which we feel spiritually connected to the universe? If the building blocks of our thoughts operate at a quantum level, the boundaries between science and spirituality begin to blur. The biological connection to the cosmos. Biology further reinforces this cosmic connection. The iron in your blood was created in supernovae billions of years ago. The water that sustains you has cycled through countless ecosystems and even interstellar space. The mycelium networks beneath forests, often called nature's neural network, mirror the connections of neurons in our brains, hinting at a shared blueprint for life. When you meditate in a forest or look up at the stars, you're not just imagining a connection, you're experiencing it biologically and physically. Patterns and geometry surround us, from the swirling arms of galaxies to the fractal branching of trees. These patterns aren't just beautiful, they're clues to the deeper structure of reality. Sacred geometry has long been used in spiritual traditions to represent the interconnectedness of all things. But modern science reveals that these shapes, like the golden ratio or the Fibonacci sequence, aren't just symbolic. They're woven into the very fabric of nature, appearing in the growth of seashells, the spirals of hurricanes, and even the structure of DNA. At the quantum level, the symmetries of fundamental particles mirror these patterns, suggesting that the universe's building blocks follow the same blueprint as its grandest structures. What does this mean? It implies that the cosmos is not random, but harmoniously ordered, and we are living expressions of that order. Spiritual entanglement, a new perspective on oneness. Spiritual traditions around the world speak of oneness, of being connected to all life and the universe itself. What if this isn't just philosophy, but a literal truth? Quantum entanglement, quantum biology, and our shared atomic origins suggest that the separation we feel is an illusion. When you feel awe looking at the stars, or peace walking through nature, you're tuning into a deep, underlying connection, a spiritual entanglement that binds all things. This connection isn't just emotional, it's real, physical, and scientific. The universe isn't something you're separate from, it's something you are part of. Let's dive into one of the most exciting frontiers of science: the idea that consciousness arises from quantum processes in the brain. The Orch-OR theory suggests that tiny structures called microtubules inside your neurons might operate at a quantum level, where particles behave in ways that defy classical physics. If this is true, then your thoughts, decisions, and awareness might be influenced by quantum mechanics, the same rules that govern particles at the smallest scales of reality. But here's the fascinating part: quantum systems are inherently interconnected. This means that your consciousness could be entangled with the greater quantum field of the universe. What if your awareness isn't confined to your brain, but resonates with the cosmos itself? Bridging science and spirituality. Science and spirituality have often been seen as opposites, but perhaps they're two sides of the same coin. Quantum physics and biology are revealing that the connections we feel, those moments of awe, wonder, and unity, are more than feelings. They are reflections of the true, interconnected nature of reality. The universe isn't just out there, it's within you. It's you. So the next time you look at the stars or feel a deep connection to the world around you, remember, this isn't just metaphorical. It's science, and it's spirituality, intertwined. Imagine this: the atoms in your body were forged billions of years ago in the hearts of stars. Those atoms have travelled through countless transformations, forming planets, oceans, and other life forms before becoming part of you. This isn't just a poetic notion, it's a scientific fact. The matter that makes up your body carries a cosmic history. Some scientists even suggest that information from these interactions might remain encoded in the quantum states of particles. If this is true, then every cell in your body might hold a tiny fragment of the universe's memory. When you feel a connection to nature or the cosmos, You could be tapping into that ancient resonance, a kind of universal ancestry that links all things. We often think of spiritual connection as something intangible, but quantum physics tells us otherwise. Entangled particles behave as if they are part of a single system, no matter how far apart they are. Now expand this idea. What if we, as conscious beings, are entangled not just with each other, but with the entire universe? Every thought, every intention, and every emotion could ripple across the quantum field, affecting reality in ways we don't yet understand. This spiritual entanglement suggests that the boundaries we perceive between ourselves and the world are illusions. We're not separate from the universe. We're woven into its very fabric. So, what does all this mean for your place in the cosmos? It means that you're not just an observer, you're an active participant in the universe's unfolding story. Your thoughts, actions, and emotions are as much a part of the cosmos as the stars and galaxies. The sense of awe you feel when you look at the night sky isn't just a feeling. It's a recognition of your connection to something infinite and eternal. The universe isn't out there, distant and unreachable. It's within you. It's you. The science of spirituality shows us that the universe is more than a collection of atoms and forces. It's a living, dynamic system of connection and resonance. You are part of this system, entangled with the stars, the earth, and all living things. The next time you feel awe or wonder, remember that it's not just an emotion. It's the universe speaking through you, reminding you of your place in the grand design. What do you think? Are we connected to the cosmos in ways science is only beginning to uncover? Could the universe itself be conscious, and are we part of its awareness? Share your thoughts in the comments, and let's continue exploring the incredible, interconnected mysteries of existence.